Hi! In front of me is Realme GT Neo 3 and today I would like to show you how you can change font size on this device. First of all, you need to find settings, open them and choose personalizations. Now tap on agree and continue, choose allow and click on font and display size. After that, scroll down and swipe left or right on this font size slider. You can see a preview over here. When you're ready, save your changes by tapping on apply, and as you can see now, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!